The Toyota Voxy has long been the top choice for families who need a spacious, comfortable, and reliable vehicle. Now, in 2025, Toyota is presenting the all-new Toyota Voxy, which brings a number of sophisticated updates and a more futuristic design. Let's take a closer look at what makes this car so interesting. Exterior design. More futuristic and dynamic. The exterior appearance of the 2025 Toyota Voxy is truly stunning. With a larger front grille and sharp body lines, this car looks more dashing and modern. The sleek LED headlights provide a sharp and sophisticated impression, while the elongated LED taillights add a futuristic feel. The 17-inch alloy wheels with a new design further strengthen the sporty and dynamic appearance of this car. Performance. Efficient hybrid engine. The 2025 Toyota Voxy not only excels in design and comfort, but also in performance. This car is equipped with the latest hybrid engine from Toyota, which combines a 2.0-liter petrol engine with an electric motor. The result is exceptional fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. This hybrid system also allows the Voxy to run in fully electric mode at low speeds, making it more environmentally friendly. Safety features. High standards from Toyota. Safety is a top priority in every Toyota vehicle, and the 2025 Voxy is no exception. This car is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes various advanced safety features such as pre-collision system PCs, lane departure alert LDA, adaptive cruise control ACC, and automatic high beam AHB. Apart from that, there are also 8 airbags ready to protect passengers in emergency situations. Comfort and functionality. Ideal for families. The Toyota Voxy is known as a reliable family car, and the 2025 model further strengthens that reputation. With seats that can be adjusted according to needs, spacious storage space, and automatic sliding doors that make getting in and out easy, Voxy is truly designed for family comfort. A sophisticated air conditioning system ensures the cabin stays cool, even on hot days. The right choice for modern families, with a more futuristic design, advanced technology, efficient hybrid engine performance, and complete safety features. The 2025 all-new Toyota Voxy, the right choice for modern families looking for an all-round vehicle. This car not only offers comfort and functionality, but also style and the latest technology that makes every journey more enjoyable and safe. If you are looking for a family vehicle that is not only reliable, but also sophisticated and stylish, the 2025 Toyota Voxy is the answer. Get ready to hit the streets in unmatched style and comfort.